Good day everybody. Today we're looking at the Worth Ecoline Blue Paper Towel. They're virtually lint-free, a twin ply and super absorbent. They can be utilized in auto workshops where there's an oil spill or any place where you want to clean up a mess. The blue paper towel roll is your answer. Now, for showing the ability of the absorption, I've taken 2 of the Ecoline Blue Paper Towel roll, submerged it in water, and then the opposition paper, also a twin ply, and putting it in water, squeezing out the water, and now look at this. Trying to take it apart, it just falls apart. If you look at the Worth one, squeeze out the water, and there we go. Even as wet as they are very tear resistant. So the blue Eco Towel Twin lint-free paper.